Hello guys, this is the treasure hunt. Interesting press the update tomorrow. And this is for the Scarlet Fierce's treasure hunt launches. And this is for and let's do Scarlet Fierce's treasure hunt launches this weekend. You'll be able to unlock the rest of the Scarlet items plus some extra goodies, and who knows, maybe even more secrets await for the sharpest of minds to uncover. We hope you're excited to discover the adventure this weekend. And this is the form. The takeover now is now gone tomorrow, and if you want to join the update and join and notify me so you don't miss the update in the Tristan Press. This is the Summer Quest Chapter 2 in Dress to Impress. So don't miss in the hour. It's 12